And we got something chugging around the corner. Let's see if they stop here. They might stop up here. The major traffic jam at the switch up here. Major traffic jam. Just had 2 other trains stop. And here comes an eastbound. See if he stops or not. I think he's got a blinking yellow light. I'm not sure. I can't see. It was a yellow blinking light. See if he stops. 4087 on the point. Green light, they're winding it up. 22X eastbound. This train was sitting for like 2 hours too, behind 62V. I don't know, I gotta put it all in one video. This should be I think this is a pretty short train. Alright, wind it up. This train should be pretty short. Give it the coal, shovel that coal in there. He's gonna crank it up. Alright, my last train of the day, another epic day. Awesome day. I'll have to go home and put the video together. Awesome day. It's a pretty short train. This should be it, I think. Yeah, that's it. Alright, party's over for the day. I'm out. See you later.